find you a bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.
It is GTV powered by World Sports Betting. It is gtimes.co.za. Junior, i-passport yakhe ready mfethu?
Yeah, renew. I expired after
Ah.
8 years. So I renewed it last month.
So you knew what was going on. You knew what was going to happen.
No, not
ukuthi-
based on this.
I mean, I'm just looking at the log right now. South Africa were on 16 points. Yazi, Rwanda, wherever they are, up basibukele khona, we are big. Tiski TV is big. You might find ukuthi there are Rwandans, okanye there are South Africans who are in Rwanda who are watching it Tiski TV. Siyabacela ngomso, sicela ba support Rwanda up against Nigeria. Rwanda needs to beat Nigeria tomorrow. Okanye babemeje ngedraw encinci man, yabo, because we need to go to America next year, Junior. Singenaziphazamisa. Otherwise bafana different ngendlela yokuthi asadinga ama-calculator if usifuna endaweni because right now siyazazi ukuthi ngoDecember siye eMorocco, siyazi kwakudala loo nto Junior. Now into siyifunayo sifuna ukuthi by uDecember sibe siyazi ukuthi okay, after i-AFCON silungisa izinto zethu zobheka eAmerica kwi-FIFA World Cup, but besibukele umdlalo namhlanje bafana up against iLesotho, our neighbors. Junior, mandikubulisa mfethu, kunjani?
Shane, my brother, kunjani?
I'm good,
Yeah,
I'm good.
ngibulise uJustice, Lindo Pep. Ngibulise uBobzin, Benedict Sofilakazi, Nkululeko Maprada. Now Shane ngibulise bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV fighting no one try to fix South African football. Shane, uyakubona ukubaleka kwe-development kanjani? Ukubaleka kwe-development. You know how important is development.
Uyaphi Junior?
Point tam.
Yeah.
Namhlanje kudlala uSiphumbule, which is a product SuperSport United. Bekudlala lo mfana lo Mbokazi, a development player, product Orlando Pirates development player, graduated. Tebogo Mokoena, development product. Yellow, SuperSport. Ronan Williams, a product, SuperSport United. Mhau Nkota, a development player. I'm talking about players who are China. I'm not talking just average players.
Yeah.
I'm talking about development players. This boy, Umleisane, a development Mtega Sundowns development. We are talking about
I see your point. Junior.
So it's very important in about development, Shane. So it's going to the game, fit. A comfortable win for South Africa. Bafana. Yeah, comfortable. I think it's in complement Lesotho. I think they're going to the right direction now. I'm not too sure good badlalele game na tikphela. They play this way because of it's us. You understand? Because bebadlali South Africa, though it's their home game, bebadlali South Africa because of whatever happened or whatever agreement they had. I'm not too sure with what angas based on one. I think South Africa deserve to win the game. It can be dlala nge-intensity high from the first whistle. Ngikhuluma nge-first half yonke. The difference was the quality. Well done to center back of South Africa, which is Mbokazi Mleisane. They play as if they play for Orlando Pirates, both of them, week in and week out. I think it's back four. I think Bafana today. Also Pulo Modi, unfortunately, we were told.
Nyiko Mobi, yes.
I mean, Nyiko Modi.
Yes.
We were the Malum Chita. We are go 50-50. I took to the poll. The La Pola Bengamelang ala will pump. Bengmela check pola. Well done to the guy. I think.
Umkunyelo.
Yeah,
I mean, we can't talk about Ikeme Namhlanje without mentioning Naye Umchita, Umdunyelo. I mean, he came in. Yes, Junior. I think there's more pressure. I've never played professional football when you've played there. And as you go to pressure you play a game, the player even 2 minutes into the game, okay, I'm going to get it because we so tell you okay, I'm on the bench. So now all of a sudden, I'm going to get it, and then you deliver a solid
especially as a defender, you never know which you're gonna come in. Most of them, if there's no injured player, I'm talking about at the back.
Sure.
They hardly makes up. I'm a player at the back. You understand? Remember South Africa being a considering. Most I'm a defender about Nigi from the bench to look at injury. But Niga mangabe there's a good crisis. Mhlambe kube ne injury keep umuntu mhlambe angasabuyi. But most ama sub abawenzayo forward players, maybe midfield players from middle going forward. So this guy coming from the bench, well done. I think it's coachable.
Yeah.
Mtunyelo. Dedicated to spanning discipline. Fit. Lamfana loya. Umundawo noma ngabe uya ku-Sundowns. I don't care who says what anyway. I heard to Sundowns, Umundawo is back. One of the best defender around the world, not in Africa. I will say Umundawo around the world. For me, is one of the best around the world. Because it just said to Mfana, he was born in South Africa. And amongst around the world, people abanye bazomangala ukuthi, where did this guy is prove himself?
Yeah.
So Umtunyelwa, he came to Mamelodi Sundowns mfethu, was established Mfana. Was ukudila nge-1v1. Akana nervousness.
Comfortable from the best, eh?
Yes. Nagula state. I mean, technical decision making. Umfana comfortable on the ball as well. What else do you want? Today, ungena from the bench, igame idlala nge-intensity high. Look compose. Akachukanga mfana ufike lapho afitha like a glove. Ngikhuluma ngocompliment yena umdunye yena umbokazi and this guy Mloisane. Well done to him. Also Oprendiba. I don't understand why they busy chopping changing. Go Sundowns Oprendiba. Hugo Broos, well done for him proving again Umdiba is the best left back. He's one of the best left back in the country. Comfortable decision making. Opre can come in the midfield. Opre can play him as the central midfield. Lamfani Polwelas. Opri, I mean, look at the decision making a goal number 1. I mean, far. They are pinpoint pass. In fact, I see cross.
Even you Unkota will make that run. I mean, not just any left back can anticipate that, Junior. It takes brains. You need to have brains to know what okay, and Ngota is coming, and a great finish from Ngota also.
Can you compliment another mfana talent mbata? La mfana lo improve. La mfana look lively. Avail himself box to box, so he must start in a position. He reminds me of Paulinho, the Brazilian Paulinho. Corner shy box to box. Paulinho. Yeah, I mean, that was Nate 5. That's why, they lead to everything. Sure. They won 3-0 last night. One of the no, the Brazilian they are like us. The reason I'm a fan of Agna hit Asil Shai Sobona. They are very skillful like us. Also technically very good. They hardly playing amateur players. They are like us, Brazilians. So, well done to, I think, coach Hugo Broos and his players. The team I selected, also Hugo Broos made him credit, but to allow players to express themselves. I think Hugo Broos, he allow players to express themselves. And Leon Dole, I think he means a special night. Because I'm a player who win interest by allowing them to express themselves. Well done, I think first half, overload the side like left, Mdiba bega pambi. Apple is coming in, Mdiba going forward, decision making, well done, Mdiba. I'm a decision work always on point. And then like Forster. Lama runs on the box, lawa between the shoulders, Lama defend. I think the Kawema start their position now. Kumkulisi look like England. Different player, long and born, I mean, like for some other graduate. Bega static man. Muile always receive ipala opponent in semva wako. Always we are layer. When they gonna turn and face. But now the guy varied his game. Sometimes he comes short, angalfuni balidlale behind. Beke go number 2 le poda leli alidlale uApolice. Team wenzelela go. Yabo, well done to him. Uyakwazi ukuthi abe team player futhi as well. Come in and just move lapha ashiye le rule for goodbye occupy ngikhuluma ngabantu abadlala wide okanye mhlambe la midfield. Also to complement Sipumbule. You ngithi Hugo Broos, he proves so many people wrong. There's no coach in the entire world that can put Sipumbule in the bench.
Sorry, Ngokata. Yenza ndugi confidence ye player lana because remember Sipumbule was not in the squad. Tito Masonganye was selected. Then Tito got injured against Chipa. Immediately he called Sipumbule. I don't think anyone expected to go to Sipumbule will start umdlalo namhlanje, but he started. But ke ngoku as umdlalo Sipumbule kwi confidence yakho lonto ikubona yes, you didn't expect it. So influence njani confidence yakho as a player lonto going forward?
Class is permanent. Sipumbule uyayazi and well, obvious the pressure on him, which it's a second chance to him. He need to prove to the nation. After Usipo career kifana almost age. I understand. I will be straightforward, honest. Usipo supposed to be far, which is possible still. Man abumfano so remain a focus. Develop effort yake because the reputation kunzima uyicima. Ungabulala manje ejele. Usave isigwebo sakho ubuye after 10 years bazotinasa lesgiving noma umuntu sekuyipast aphilisa abantu. So just to come back kuwe uSipumbule class is permanent. I think uSipho is ready for anything. Uyazi ukuthi second chance uGrebile umfana. I mean in today's game I don't think he was expecting noma ngabe bambizile okay le surprisile ka Tito Masonganye but ukuthi I don't think he was ready to start the game because at Pirates sometimes inokuphela igame angadlalanga. Yeah, today bamdlalisa number 10, which is when Usipho best to central midfield. But you must really had to lose the ball comfortable. Look at the turning, effortless.
He was also involved in the goal.
Yeah.
Second goal.
Sipho. I mean, he made us play. And compliment angithi mawudlala ngomkwena udlala ngaye futhi umbatha.
Talent, yeah.
You need umuntu njengoSofariti Gemini, a very skillful player or a vision player, umuntu ohlakaniphile ozokwazi ukufunda situation. Ukuthi now by him turning intshele enye into abomkweni ukuthi ufollow banabo Sipho nabo talent. Well done to this guy Sipho Mbule ukuthi kule game, because this game can change Sipho Mbule's life. Le game lenga change Sipho Mbule's life le. Game yanamhlanje ngiyakutshela many people were watching, many coaches, we talk about everybody. So well done to Sipho for lasting also. Ngoba I think Usipho amanye ama coach they play him bana this tendency ukuthi 65 minutes they take him off. Okay, naye it's not a talent to Usipho, just the advice to him akashaya extra effort, just have somebody ozospana ngayo mara it takes ngokuthi bakutrust abamtrust now Usipho yabona yuko pros trusted him angeke amlethe down Usipho go back now ku Pirates will wanna show the coach with coach next ngicela ungiselect next time. So I wonder, well done to Bafana, well deserved, good goal. Also our police came to the party. I think he showed up to the energy. What I love, it didn't make akanzange izinto complicated. Yabo la kumele adlali 1-2 yayidlala, he ran to dangerous spaces. Well done to him. Lo mfana umhamgot a different player now. Umfana he had a brilliant season, first season. But I'm talking about him going to now South Arabia, different player. I think umfana's thing into shintshile mangithi kune maturity to this boy. Look at the goal number 1. La goalkeeper buya khona. I mean, I'm talking about the seasoned players. Seasoned players iyabahlula le nto. Bashaya cross ulibusela la goalkeeper buya khona. And well done, I think that's why ngikhala nange development man. The boy is unali talent. Also the development part, the technique, well done, right technique, and also the Lesotho ngicela ukuyicompliment. I think i-direction mangithe bayithathile ba-right. They press us. It's just that dispose mangabe upress wazi ukuthi uzo-expose the spaces behind you. Mabapressa always be-exposer because umkwena always and talent imbathe and Mbule always free because the front real abantu beyipress angikhuluma nga-first half. It's how they get exposed because makusala 3 ushuthi you living Shinshia 3. Now this midfield they need to come, and so the defense will be exposed. I think they get exposed. Inside laga left, they will expose they long up, always getting late. Well done to Bafana. I think second half we dominated the game as well. I think they were flat. Yes, ngoba baba still the first half, but letting intensity high and equality. I think it was a different also the first half. Yes, but in terms of the comfortability, Lesotho being also technically poor. They play with 12 players before. Abantu aba physical, always good sodlala idrone Bafana. But now they take a game git. And well done to the whatever. Ngishi coach, well done to them. And I think they need to take this as a positive. Bayeka ama results man. I think lento le lento ama results na yaslimaza. I know results are very important. I mean in South Africa now we feel so comfortable. Now good yes, we're leading by 16 points. But the brand of football South Africa is playing lately. I'm talking about Bafana. Also singasabi. We need to compliment Sundowns and also Orlando Pirates by this philosophy of the coach. Because Pirates and Sundowns, they are mina being worried. Phela abantu abazwe when I must complain on Sundowns ukuthi Sundowns now they losing direction. Yabo, this card also is changing.
And you were worried that maybe
it's going to affect the national team. Bafana. Because Pirates was complimenting Sundowns, you need to be core of the team. Sundowns be glad. So be worried ngale nto le. But now what we saw, very fluid. They redeem not much. Well done to Orlando Pirates players as well, raising his hand. Kulma about talent imbatha. We told them former players, Mbule as well. Yeah, Pirates we sign a player that they know how to sign players. Pirates made us a chance. He credit with you. Abongo Sana Nkosa. Even the Dr. Ivan Nkosa himself. Yeah.
Julia, thank you so much for your analysis, my brother. Into siyazi ukuthi next year kuyanyanzeleka ukuthi sibe se-America sodlala i-FIFA World Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns were there bedlala ke bona i-FIFA Club World Cup. Now South Africa needs to go and play i-FIFA World Cup. The last time we played the FIFA World Cup sasilapha ekhaya ngo-2010 we were the host nangoko Junior, but now asizo host sizabe singabavakashi ngokusabe sine visa zethu sithi we are here and we deserve to be here. Namhlanje Toyota Stadium, Free State, Bloemfontein rather. It was Bafana 3, Lesotho 0. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Danko. This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.